Hello everyone, we are Team U Impactify, and this is our Reframed design problem presentation. To recap, we'll introduce our partner group, U Impactify, which is an online learning platform whose mission is to support a hybrid learning model of online learning and offline learning. It impacts specialized to create their best learning modules around social entrepreneurship and also the 21st century skills. It also helps students to gain new skills to apply in their organization, builds a learning community to share expertise and experience. This is our framework of today's presentation slides. First, we'll talk about the methods of research. Based on the reading, creative confidence shows step back to make sure you have unearthed the correct question before starting to search for solutions. For doing the research, we first had online interviews with our partner and potential users. We browsed and observed other existing e-learning platforms, and then we sorted and analyzed all the information, the data we collected. Next, we are going to reflect what we have learned from the previous iterations. After our first interview with Mr. Hassan, we conduct the participant slides. The participant slides help us to understand an overview of Impactify structure, target users, current situations, and also the company's goal. It also helps us to align the direction of the design and also the design focus. At this stage, we have the initial topic as to create a dynamic learning process which adapts to the needs of learners at different levels. As we were working on the ethnography poster, we gathered more information from our partner. By categorizing the data we received from the interview, we sketched out several problems of our platforms and came up with several design ideas on the learning experience and also the interacting experience. The four problems we identified is we find first the content of the discussion section on the existing platforms cannot be retained after the course ends. The second one is the student could not receive prompt response or feedbacks on most of the current e-learning platforms. The third, as a career-oriented platforms, there are no significant advantages compared with other e-learning platforms. And the last one we found is most e-learning platforms, including Impactify, only provides fixed or linear courses in sequential orders. Based on the research, we then set our design focus to improve the efficiency of interaction and communication between facilitator and learner during the e-learning process. Next, we are going to talk about what we have learned from our potential users. Following the feedback received from our previous personas and user journey maps, we noticed that the scope we focused on were too general and not helpful for aligning our final design focus. To have a better understanding of our design situation and the design focus, we held another meeting with our stakeholders and tried to dig deeper into their perspectives by asking different questions. It provided us with the direction on how we should revise our design focus, also as a guide to refine our final persona and user journey maps. After conducting the ideal 6-step reframing design challenge exercise, we explore some potential questions and opportunities of the current design focus. We came up with 3 design questions. First, we want to make it easier for students to search the desired contents. Second, we want to reduce the repetitive questions raised by students. Third, we wish to reflect students' thoughts and learning behavior more efficiently. So there is 3 design solutions for students search for design contents easily. We want to have like a timestamp tool which can track students' notes, questions, topics, or content, and also have recommendations for related tutorials based on their watch history. For reducing the repetitive questions, we would like to create a chat garden that keeps a record of all discussions after class, and also add a keyword search function for chat content. Uh, in terms of reflecting students' thoughts and learning behavior more efficiently, we would like to create a real-time comments function and also pop real-time assessment window periodically to get instant feedback from students. Also, we would like to add a function of voice typing. For our final refined design focus, we would like to improve the interactivity of the current e-learning platforms by making resources easily accessible, creating more opportunities to let the students express their emotions, and minimizing the misunderstandings. Here's the value that we wish to bring to the Impactify. One is improve the learning efficiency of students. The second one is reduce the teacher's workload. And the last one is improve the quality of teaching online classes. That's all for our presentation. Thank you.